Hello guys, this is Vandana from EME Technologies. Today I am going to tell you how to install a Visual Studio 2012 in your PC. So for this you need a software. So I already have it. Just open the software and there is a Visual Studio here. I have a ISO file, so I am just open it. So after opening this, you have this exe application. Just right click on that and run as an administrator and allow your application. So after you accept this, it's showing you C programs Microsoft Visual Studio. You have to accept this terms and condition. So I'm going to accept this and just go for the next, and it's showing you all the features with the Visual Studio. So I'm going to install it. So just click on that, and it's take time about 20 to 15 to 20 minutes. So just be relaxed while it's installing. Now as you can see, installation is going to be done. Now as you can see, installation is done. Now launch your Visual Studio. So I'm going to launch my Visual Studio here. Now as you can see, my Visual Studio is installed. So now do your projects in this. Thank you for watching us. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.